On October 25, 2025, officers responded after a car crashed into a store, turning an ordinary day into a sudden scene of chaos.
They're not fine over there.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license in that with you?
Yeah.
So whatever you
No, I rather put the brake.
but you hit the gas?
Yeah.
I see.
I
Okay.
hit the gas.
Okay.
Oh well. My husband is not gonna be happy, Captain. Oh. Okay.
Okay. Is this your current address?
Yep.
Okay. Do you have your insurance card with you, hon?
What is... You guys want to open the side doors, or you guys can go on the side? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, here. There's a space car. This is in here. Why do I got a car somewhere around here?
This is from 2008, so that's really old.
Oh,
Back
my.
there.
Yeah, I gotta call my husband then.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, I can have
Okay. Toyota RAV4. Yep. Good. Morning.
Morning.
Trevor. Oh, no. This is broken. Oh, man. Oh, it's their coffee.
Leave those donuts alone. Let's throw around in there.
You don't know your phone number?
Yeah, I know my phone number, but I didn't take my phone with me.
Okay, can I have your phone number?
What happened?
Well, I supposed to put the brake in the right.
We could probably back it out of here. Just straighten the wheel out and then I think when we straighten the wheel, we'll be able to pop this door out of there.
Just because you hit hop in here and back it out. We're gonna back.
Turn the wheel to the left.
And then we're gonna back it out. Hey, Chris. Hey, we're gonna back this car out. So turn your wheel.
That's just pulling it in. All both parts are in there.
Go that way. Try to back it up slowly.
Oh, that.
Toyota held up pretty well.
I know.
He called Mike's, but I mean, car's drivable.
Yeah, the car's drivable. Did Chris call Mike?
Yeah, he did.
Chris, do you want Mike's? This looks drivable. Are they?
Chris, it looked like the mat, the rubber mats from the floor got sucked up there, dude.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah, this. Everything was.
Structurally, I'm guessing it's okay. It's just the core. They
Nah.
probably got to come out and do that.
No, dude. Look at this though. This wall is.
Oh, yeah.
Side door, sir. Oh, yeah. Never mind. Morning.
What happened?
Customer drove through your
Like drunk or
front
like
door.
just out of hate or like what was going on?
She's old.
She's old, like,
She hit the right pedal and she meant to hit the left pedal.
is she okay?
I think so. They're getting looked at just to be sure, but car held up pretty good. Yeah, not so much for the wall, but
Yeah, it's gonna
Careful with your feet.
always something, huh?
This houses look really good over there. Oh, that would startle you if you were standing on the other side.
Oh, yeah. Lady said that it's like when she went through and she accelerated again. And like,
She's old and she's got a cobble and stuff. My expert opinion is a crash investigator. Somehow this is fire department's fault.
Yeah, we can use the side door.
anything.
Close it up completely. Yeah. Can you pop that off that track?
The,
Yeah, I'll keep spinning the car. Keep spinning the car the other way.
you want a pizza?
He's sitting in his truck.
Oh. It's over here. What's up with your window? Are you done with the DL? Or
What?
you done with the DL for a second? The fire guys are looking for it.
I was gonna scan it real quick here. I just need her address.
And she's still like, oh, no big deal.
Yeah, shit.
No, lady, it's a big deal. Like, she have valid insurance?
She can't show me anything current. 24 is the closest I can get.
The 2 tickets?
Insurance. Right. I'm going to write her that one. And then what other one are you thinking?
So reducing doesn't really apply.
She's in a private lot. I mean,
We apologize for you guys. You know, because it's not necessary.
Accidents happen so long as no one's.
Yeah. My bad. I've been driving for a long time. I never ever.
Seen a lot of mistakes.
My husband got it for me.
D&Z coming? Or?
No, border.
Oh,
I don't think. Doesn't look like it's anything structural. So that wall.
I don't think it's load bearing.
I was just changing like a couple of batteries on these doors. They were like not cheap. Like at this company, they put these doors, so you know the automatic sensors they were out. Just to change them, it was like.
Well, I'm a state farm and I'm going to be happy.
You pay your insurance enough money over the years, they should be there for you when you need them.
Well, exactly. You know? You never have no big accident like this before.
Exactly. As long as everyone's okay, it just is what it is.
You can go from the side door. Let me take it back. I just did my shopping already. Oh, you did already? Thank you. It's unfortunate. Yeah, it is.
Sorry about that, guys.
Yeah, no problem.
You know? It's happening.
Nobody got hurt.
Nope.
Oh, yeah.
So, okay, somebody have my license.
I think Chris does. When he's all done with it, he'll get it back to you.
Okay,
He's just got to get everyone's licenses that was here, that was
Right.
witness, all that.
okay.
hi, Sonny. Here's your.
Thank you.
Okay. This is expired, so you need to get your good ones in there.
Yeah, I got
Alright.
a good one.
You're getting a ticket for uninsured motor vehicle because none of your insurance cards are valid. Okay.
Oh, no.
So you got a court date of November 3rd at 10:30 a.m. in the Mundelein Courthouse. Just bring your new insurance card with you, okay?
Okay.
So you can show everybody.
Oh, my God.
Okay.
Sorry.
It's okay.
You know?
As long as you're okay, that's all that happens.
I got the insurance and, you know, and,
Just bring your new insurance card with you to the court date, okay?
okay.
All right. Any
Oh,
questions?
Yeah.
You're free to go if you're ready to. If you,
No, I'm ready, you know, do I have to go to new driver and things like that?
No, nothing right now.
No.
No.
Oh, okay.
Just you got to show proof of insurance, okay?
Oh, okay.
All right, dear.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you so much. Oh, I gotta go get my tamales.
Oh yeah. Did the other officer like explain to you like about contacting your insurance guy? Right. Okay. We'll get you her insurance information right away. Contact your insurance agent right away and just let them know what happened. So that way they can send somebody out to start the assessment and see what needs to be done.
And
so,
then they will talk to her insurance company.
Absolutely. So, but we'll get you that right now. We'll get you her insurance information, and we'll go from there. But like I said, I would get on the phone with your insurance agent immediately, or your company immediately. That way they can
started.
They can get the claim started, and they can get somebody out here because obviously they're going to have to do an assessment of this. And
we had some, probably you know about it, like in a week and a half, 2 weeks, there is a Hollywood production coming here. They pulled a permit from here. It's like a Netflix movie they were shooting in the store.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's like, the new Superwoman. Mm-hmm. All those people were coming. Now I don't think it's going to be happening because they are shooting on November 10th.
Oh, really? Yeah. Well, you got to get your insurance on that and get that.
Because this is good for town.
Yeah, absolutely.
Like major movie coming.
For sure. I'll go grab the insurance info and we'll get that for you so you can get started right away.
She was charged with careless driving, no valid proof of insurance. Later, officers checked the scene and confirmed no one needed medical help. As officers collected paperwork, they found multiple documents were outdated, including the vehicle's insurance information. That's a major issue in any property damage crash because insurance determines how repairs, liability, and reimbursement get handled. The driver remained on scene and cooperated. After watching this incident, do you believe the driver should be held more accountable, or was this truly an accident? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update from us.